Hey guys, Rusty here, WHP. 2017 Chevy Silverado, misfiring. Dealership couldn't figure it out. Look at these injector tips. If I can get your focus in. Ugh. Very, very clogged up. On the Snap-on scanners, you can run a injector balance test, and they have to be within like I think 2 or 5 psi difference. It'll like shut them off, and it can show you like what the difference is in fuel pressure. I think that's how it does it, psi. And if you're anything out of range on this, like this one was almost 18 on some of them difference with the psi. So really easy check on these. This guy's been to the dealership, did the tune-up, did a mass airflow sensor. It's getting only like 6 miles to the gallon, so always go to these injectors. These are a high fail rate on these newer 5.3s, but hey, if you're having issues and you've done all the other stuff, don't even try the injection cleaning. Just go ahead and get you a new set of injectors, pop the intake off, pop these bad boys off, and get yourself back on the road. Check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, keep wrenching.